Dropping bombs.
Yeah.
Hello, my name's Blair Shrubsall. I'm part of Lakeside Forest Jets here. That's my club. I have a Tomahawk Viper flying today, hopefully sometime today because of the winds are up. But it's going to be a great weekend. Saturday and Sunday look fantastic. We've got lots of food and hopefully we get lots of people out today. That's all you, dude. Got a rough night that way.
I don't even know, Mac. I don't know.
Yeah, you have to Google it.
Hey, Max.
Yeah. You do the basic. That's fine. You just do it for fun. So I spent the week before till I learned
I did it once. Brought it up for the first flight.
running it out here.
You getting it?
Got it.
It's Jeff DeCalloway here at Forest Jets in Ontario. This is my Aries 3D jet. It's fun foamy. If you want to get into jets, it's probably $1,000. You bring it home. So it's not, a lot better than the ones that are turbine. It's cost a lot more. So it's something to get into if you want. Good to see everyone.
Hi, Greg Delbo from Forest Lakeside Flyers on a windy day at the Jet and Warbird event. Hope to make it a long weekend and do lots of flying once the wind dies down.
What kind of plane are you flying?
Flying a OV Bronco and a Oscar, both Hangar 9 models.
And the motor in the Oscar?
Sato 90 three-cylinder and electric in the Bronco.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem. Have a good day.